Ever got stopped out right before the market bounced back in your favor and then watched it rally without you? It's like the market's playing tricks on you. Altrady's Stop Loss Cooldown feature offers a solution by delaying the execution of stop-loss orders, giving the market extra time to recover above the stop zone and keep your position alive. In this video, we will explain why your positions can be swept like that, how Stop Loss Cooldown works and what risks come with it, how to set up Stop Loss Cooldown in Altrady, when to use Stop Loss Cooldown. Let's start with understanding why the market can behave like that, stopping you out just before the reversal. Many traders set their stop losses just below significant support zones, which is basically a lot of pending market sell orders that create a lot of liquidity in this area. Large players have a lot to gain by shaking out as many traders as possible before price starts actually going up. This sudden drop can also be viewed by someone as resistance breakdown, where traders will open short positions by creating even more sell orders. But in the end, it is a fake out that leads to a huge rally in a different direction. These fake outs are usually very fast, and most of the time it is just a single wick below the previous swing low. Now let's see how you can protect yourself from these manipulations. Unlike traditional stop-loss orders, the Stop Loss Cooldown feature adds an extra layer of protection by preventing immediate execution of the stop loss, giving the market some extra time to recover. Once the price drops below your designated stop loss level, the cooldown is triggered. When the cooldown expires, market price is checked against the stop loss price. If the market price is still beyond the stop loss price, the position will close immediately. But if market price is back at a safe level, the cooldown is cancelled and the position remains open. There is also a candle close stop loss cooldown type, which will check if a candle on specific time frame closed below or above the stop loss level. If the candle closes below the stop loss, the position will close immediately. And if the candle closes above the stop loss price, the cooldown is cancelled and the position remains open. But be careful. If you work with a longer cooldown period, the market has time to recover, but also time to drop even further, increasing your losses, especially in times of huge market drops. To protect against further losses in cases like this, we added the emergency stop loss, which will close the position immediately when it's reached, even if the cooldown period is still active. So, now let's see how you can set up a stop loss cooldown for your next position. The stop loss function is a part of Altrady's smart positions. You can find it in the trading form. Start by creating a limit entry order. Define limit price and position size. Activate stop loss, set desired stop price, and after that, enable stop loss cooldown. Select cooldown type, time or candle close. Time will check stop loss after specific time has passed, and candle close will check stop loss upon candle close on a specified time frame. Set time, for example, 5 minutes. To prevent bigger losses, activate emergency stop loss, where position will be closed as soon as price reaches this area. Double check your position and adjust prices directly on the chart if needed. Press place order. Stop loss order will be displayed as pending in My Orders widget until the stop price is reached. Now let's discuss the cases when you might need to use the stop loss cooldown. This feature is useful to protect your position when you can see a lot of underlying liquidity right next to your stop loss price. To avoid being stopped during fake outs and manipulations. To improve risk to reward ratio while giving your strategy extra buffer zone. So now that you know why market stop loss manipulation happen, how Altrady's stop loss cooldown works, and how you can protect your positions with it, risks that come with this approach, how to set up a stop loss cooldown in Altrady, and finally, when to use this feature. Go give it a try at altrady.com. This way, you can make sure your positions will stay up and hit your take profit.